0 minutes, 9 seconds.
So, here's our demonstration. We have two identical walls. Each wall has 59 linear feet of rough openings and 219 square feet of wall field to be treated. And we have two air barrier systems. A peel and stick membrane system will be applied to the wall on top, and the R-GUARD FastFlash fluid applied system will be applied to the wall shown on the bottom.
Time elapsed 0 minutes, 39 seconds.
Looking first at the FastFlash wall, the applicator begins with R-GUARD Gyp Prime. He rolls the water-based primer onto the rough edges of the gypsum board, and then he applies joint and seam filler to the rough openings, board seams, and fasteners. The other applicator starts the peel and stick system by using a latex sealant on his wall's board seams and fasteners, as well as the rough opening.
Time elapsed 19 minutes, 23 seconds.
The peel and stick membrane requires a solvent-based primer in order to get proper adhesion, so our installer must wear a respirator to protect himself from the fumes. That primer then is rolled onto the areas where the peel and stick flashing membrane needs to adhere to the wall.
Time elapsed 1 hour, 6 minutes.
The FastFlash application continues by treating the rough openings with R-GUARD FastFlash. The applicator guns and spreads the FastFlash, covering the inside and outside of the rough opening. After the primer is dry, the peel and stick applicator measures the rough opening and then cuts the membrane to the appropriate length. Then he must cut the membrane to fit in the rough opening without leaving any gaps, wrinkles, or reverse lapping. The applicator of FastFlash continues the gun and spread application in the same way for all the rough openings, and this includes the arched window. If he needs to, the installer can brush the FastFlash to ensure coverage in any grooves or nooks in the window opening. For the arched window on the peel and stick side, the installer must cut the peel and stick membrane in several short pieces in order to make the flat membrane fit the rounded arch of the window. Here's what it looks like when we isolate this rough opening. The peel and stick installer ends up needing 10 pieces to fully flash this arched window opening.
Time elapsed 2 hours, 30 minutes.
Soon, the FastFlash installer begins application of R-GUARD Cat 5. Cat 5 is the primary air barrier applied to the face of the structural wall. Here, we are comparing two roller-applied applications. When spray applications are an option, a spray-applied air barrier system from Proseco can save even more time. The peel and stick worker continues his application of the peel and stick membrane. He continues measuring and cutting each piece to the right length, and then cutting it to fit into place.
Time elapsed 2 hours, 30 minutes.
Now, the peel and stick wall is ready for its primary barrier. In this case, it's a thick mill vapor permeable barrier that is rolled onto the wall. Here again, if the situation allows for spray applications, additional time can be saved. With Cat 5 applied to the entire face of the wall, the FastFlash wall is now completely finished.
Time elapsed 2 hours, 37 minutes.
But the application on the peel and stick wall continues. The thick mill membrane is rolled onto the entire face of the wall and inside of the rough openings.
Time elapsed 3 hours, 10 minutes.
So, now both systems are finished and we can tally everything up. When all is said and done, the FastFlash system was 17% faster than the peel and stick flashing. With the size of this demonstration, that translated into FastFlash beating the peel and stick by 33 minutes for one worker. The FastFlash was then 1/2 man-hour faster. So, for a similar project of 25,000 square foot, like this high school in Washington, FastFlash would be 62 man-hours faster. For a 50,000 square foot project, like this state government building in North Carolina, FastFlash would be 125 man-hours faster. And for a 100,000 square foot project, like this apartment building in Texas, FastFlash would be 251 man-hours faster. And time and money savings are only the beginning. To learn more about the performance advantages of the FastFlash system, go to proseco.com.